Malaga. Where Picasso was born, Rome built a theater, and the Moors left their mark on every wall. And you're still following a flag on a stick. Group tours rush you past the Roman theater in 10 minutes, then herd you through Calilarios before you've even looked up. Uvamai's Malaga self-guided audio tour puts the city's stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to you. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Wander the 14th century Moorish shipyard turned market at Mercado de Atarazanas. Stand before the cathedral's unfinished tower in Plaza del Obispo. Walk the marble streets of Calilarios. Uncover Pablo Picasso's childhood in Plaza de la Merced. Step into the ruins of the Roman theater, all in one tour, all on your own time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Malaga, not just photograph it. Get your Malaga self-guided audio tour today. Just $6. Your link, your city, your story at uvamai.com.